Hi, if you are looking for flexible and creative LED screens for events, stage shows, conferences, and exhibitions, check the possibility of our MY Rental Series LED screen. This is our MY500 cabinet with a 45-degree beveled edge, where two units can be joined to form a right angle. This is our MYS500 flexible screens. It allows for arc-shaped installation within a range of plus or minus 22.5 degrees. This is our MY500 standard cabinet with optional curved locks. It allows for arc-shaped installation within a range of plus or minus 6 degrees. The biggest advantage of our MY series is its strong flexible splicing. These three models support free combination and mutual splicing. You can mix them together in one screen system without any compatibility issues. They are not limited to flat straight screens. You can easily build 90-degree right angle corners, cubes, circular screens, wave-shaped for stage backgrounds, both walls, and square screen structures. There are 2 points to note. First, when splicing the MYS500 flexible screen with the MY500 flat screen, they can only be spliced left and right, not top and bottom. Second, when splicing the 45-degree beveled cabinet with other types of cabinets, you need to use different connecting locks. Now we will show you how to combine the three types of cabinets together. For identification, we numbered these 5 connecting locks. Install right angle screen, 45-degree cabinet plus 45-degree cabinet. Use connecting locks number 1. Place the cabinets to form a right angle. Connect them with fast locks. Install flat screen, 45-degree cabinet plus MYS500 or MY500. Replace connecting locks number 1 with number 4. Remove modules. Remove connecting locks number 1. Install connecting locks number 4. Install modules. Combine 45-degree cabinet and MYS500 together. Combine 45-degree cabinet and MY500 together. Install flat screen, MY500 plus 45-degree cabinet. Install connecting locks number 3 on the MY500. Install connecting locks number 3 on the MY500. Combine MY500 and 45-degree cabinet together. Install flat screen, MYS500 plus 45-degree cabinet. Install connecting locks number 5 on MYS500. Install connecting locks number 5 on MYS500. Combine MYS500 and 45-degree cabinet together. Install flat screen, 45-degree cabinet plus 45-degree cabinet. Replace connecting locks number 1 with number 2. Remove modules and connecting locks number 1. Install connecting locks number 2. Install modules. Install connecting locks number 2. Install flat screen, 45-degree cabinet plus 45-degree cabinet, or MY500 vertically. Remove bottom location pins of the 45-degree cabinet. Remove bottom location pins of the 45-degree cabinet. Combine 45-degree cabinet and MY500 vertically. Combine two 45-degree cabinets vertically. Install flat screen with MY500 plus MYS500. Combine MY500 and MYS500 together. Install curved screen with MYS500 plus MY500 or MY500 plus MYS500. Adjust the curved locks to -6 degrees. Adjust MYS500 to -22.5 degrees. Combine MY500 and MYS500 to form a curved screen.
Choose our MY rental series. Make your event screens more flexible, creative, and professional. Welcome to contact us for more details and customized solutions. Thanks for watching.